Happy story time!
A Sleepy Adventure. Once upon a time, there lived an adorable koala named Tiggy. He was small and fluffy with a round, curious, and excited face. One of Tiggy's most endearing features was his fluffy ears, which twitched and perked up whenever he heard a new sound in the forest. He had the perfect amount of cuteness that would make anyone want to give him a big hug. Every night, high in his favorite tree, Tiggy and his mommy loved to snuggle. The tree was tall and sturdy, and its branches were like a cozy nest. One evening, as the sun glossed the sky with beautiful shades of orange and pink, Tiggy and his mommy climbed up to their tree home. The leaves rustled softly, and a gentle breeze drifted a distinctive smell of fresh flowers. "Mommy, tell me a sleepy story tonight," Tiggy said, his eyes shining with excitement. "Of course, my sweet Tiggy," Mommy Koala replied, giving him a warm hug. Once upon a time, Mommy began, in a land of soft clouds and twinkling stars lived a curious little koala just like you. Tiggy's eyes grew wide with wonder as he imagined fluffy clouds and shiny stars. This little koala was named Bab, Mommy continued. Bab loved to explore the forest and make new friends. She liked collecting shiny pebbles near the small stream very much. Tiggy giggled, thinking about shiny pebbles and a babbling brook. "But you know what Bab loved the most?" Mommy asked, her eyes twinkling. "What?" Tiggy asked eagerly. "She loved to dance with fireflies on warm summer nights," Mommy whispered, her voice like a lullaby. Tiggy's eyes sparkled. "Dance with fireflies?" "Yes," Mommy said. Her laughter echoed through the forest as the fireflies twinkled around her, making the night magical. Tiggy snuggled closer to his mommy, feeling her soft fur and the gentle sway of the tree branches. As Bab danced with the fireflies, Mommy continued, a gentle rain began to fall. The drops pattered on the leaves like a soothing melody. Tiggy closed his eyes and imagined the raindrops as tiny drumbeats on the leaves. Bab stretched out her paws and let the raindrops tickle her, Mommy said. And with a contented sigh, she cuddled up in her tree home, feeling warm and safe. Tiggy yawned, feeling the coziness of his own tree home. Did Bab go to sleep? Yes, Mommy whispered. She fell asleep with dreams of fireflies and raindrops. Tiggy's eyes grew heavy. Mommy, I'm sleepy too. Time to rest, my sleepy koala, Mommy said as she kissed him goodnight. Dream of dancing fireflies and soft raindrops. Tiggy nestled against his mommy, feeling the tree's strong branches beneath him. He closed his eyes, and as the stars twinkled overhead, he drifted into a world of dreams. Here he danced with fireflies and giggled in the rain. And as they settled into sleep, Tiggy the koala and his mommy shared a sleepy adventure. Snuggled high in their cozy tree home, surrounded by the magic of the night, in the heart of the big green forest. The end.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.